the class.
For Lord, we give you thanks for the mercy and kindness and grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our near and dear ones. Bless us, fill with your wisdom, help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings, Amen.
Okay, good. Okay, now you please listen here. So today we are going to discuss the 3.3. 3.3. In that chapter, we have one more topic, that is 3.3, and in that we have compare the 3 digits number. In standard 1, we compare the 2 digits number, no? Are you remembering 2 digits number we compare?
Yes.
No? So here we are comparing the 3 digits number. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. So please listen to me. And also we know we use 3 symbols now for comparing the numbers. We use 3 symbols. And the symbols are less than, greater than, and equal to. Are you remembering these symbols?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me share the screen. Okay, please listen to me. No need to write now. Listen here. Okay. Compare 3-digit numbers. We know we use 3 symbols, no? 3 symbols. See, what about this? What we call is look like tilted capital letter L. This is? What is it a greater than, Meenakshi? See? It is less than. Look at the symbol carefully.
Less than.
Less than. See, tilted L. So it is less than. It's just
And
opposite.
we
What
have
is
to
this?
write greater than.
It is greater than. No need to write now. Listen here. It's greater than. And we have the third one. It's very simple. All of you know. What is this?
Is equal
to.
Equal.
So these are the 3 symbols. No need to write, Anushka. Please listen to ma'am. Okay. Please listen to ma'am. So these are the 3 symbols we use for comparing the numbers. And listen here. See this one. It's easy to remember. It is a tilted L. No? So it is less than. And next one greater than. And the third one equal to. Let's have some examples. Then we can move to the 3-digit number. Okay. Now, I will write some numbers here. You have to tell me the answer. Okay. 23-21, 99, 98, 54, 74, 13, 30. So these are the 4 questions. So now let us see the first one. Listen here. Okay, please be quiet. Now look at the first one. We are just recalling what we learned in previous year, first standard. Now 23-21. Here which symbol we use, Wilfred? Are you remembering? Which symbol we use here? 23, 21. So 23 is anyway, they are not equal. No, 23 and 21, they are different. So which symbol we use here? Is it less than or greater than or equal to? Which one will come? 23, 21. See, 23, 21. Are you remembering the mouth of the crocodile? Are you remembering the story? It's always open which side? Where there is more, no? Where there is more in number. That side, the mouth of the crocodile will be open, no? So, 23, 21. Which is a bigger number, Wilfred?
23.
23. So, it will be like this, no? The mouth will be open. The mouth will be open to the which number? Greater number. Are you remembering crocodile's mouth?
Yes.
Crocodile's mouth will be open at the largest number. That side. Now let us move to the next number. 99, 98. Parvati, which symbol we will use here? 99, 98. Is it less than or greater than or equal to?
Ma'am, greater than.
It is greater than. 99 is greater. Compared to 98, 99 is greater. Yes or no? Parvati, are you remembering? So its mouth will be open to the largest number. 99 is greater than 98. Now, Siddhi Vinayak, what about the next one? 54-74.
Right, ma'am, right.
No need to write. No need to write. Now listen here. 54-74. Which symbol we will use? See, here we can see the biggest number is 74. No? So that side will be the mouth of the crocodile. No? So 54 less than 74. 54 is less than 74. And the last one, 13-13. What will come? Which symbol will come? Anushka? Which symbol will come here? 13-13. Very simple, no? 13 is equal to 13. So we are using three symbols. Which are the three symbols? Less than, greater than, equal to. Less than, greater than, equal to.
Page number. Ma'am, which page number?
Which number?
Which page number?
No page number, my dear. No page number. Just we are discussing comparison of three-digit number. Okay. We are discussing comparison of three-digit number. Before that, we have to know the symbols used for comparison. And here we use less than, greater than, and equal to. We use less than, greater than, and equal to. And you have to remember, always the mouth of the crocodile will be open to which side? Where there is more in number. Where there is more in number. Where is the biggest number? That side, the mouth will be open. Okay. Is it clear? This we completed last year. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can come to three-digit number. Okay. Now let us see the three-digit number. Now, how we will compare the three-digit number? Now, in that we will have the first point, that is listen here. First of all, we are comparing two-digit and three-digit. Okay, two-digit and three-digit. Again, I am sharing. Listen here. Okay, now 28. It's a two-digit number. Okay, 28 is a two-digit number. Now another number, 345. So 28 and 345. We are comparing these two numbers. So which is a smaller number? Which is a smaller number?
28.
Very simple. 28 is smaller than 345. Now, we can say 28 is less than. Okay, 28 is less than. I will use another color. Less than. 28 is less than 345. Now, another number I am writing. 45, 100. 45, 100. 45 is a two-digit number. 100 is a three-digit number. Okay. Now, 45 is less than or greater than 100?
Less than.
It is less than. It is less than. 45 is less than 100. Now, another number. Listen here. 50, 200. 5050 is a two-digit number. 200, it's a three-digit number. We know 50 is smaller than 200. No? Or we can say 50 is less than 200. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Is it clear? So we took the first example, that is 28 is less than 345. Or we can say 45 is less than 100. Or we can say 50 is less than 200. So from these three examples,
Ma'am, can
you
you write that?
understand that a two-digit number is always smaller
Ma'am.
than a three-digit number.
Ma'am,
Listen
can
here. Listen here. From this examples, we can understand that a two-digit number. Here we can see 28 is a two-digit number. 45 is a two-digit number. 50 is a two-digit number. So the two-digit number is always smaller than three-digit number. Is it clear? That sentence?
Yes.
A two-digit number is always smaller than a three-digit number. Now, let us see the comparison of two three-digit number. Now, just we discuss about one two-digit number and one three-digit number. Okay, and we concluded that a two-digit number is always smaller than a three-digit number. Now, let us see two three-digit numbers. Okay, now for that we have many steps. We have 5 steps. And in that, the first step is that we have to count the number of digits. When you get two three-digit numbers, you have to think or you have to count the number of digits. But that is a first step. Okay, what is the first step, Nihal? We have to count the number of digits. What is the first step, Nihal?
Count the
Number of
number
what? Count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. Because we already know if it is a two-digit number is always smaller than a three-digit number. So the first step, count the number of digits. Now, if we are comparing two three-digit numbers, we know that two-digit three-digit numbers always they have same number of digits. I will explain with one example. Listen here, okay? Listen. See, I have an example here. See, 7, 2, 3. It's a three-digit number. What's the number name? 723. 723. Now we are comparing with another number. 4, 5, 6. That means 456. We are comparing two three-digit number. So what is the first step? Step 1. Count the number of digits.
Ma'am, right?
No, listen here. Count the number of digits. Look at the first number, 723. How many digits are there in 723? How many digits are there, Vidika? There are 3 digits. There are 3 digits. Now let us see the second number, 456. How many digits are there? How many digits are there? 456. See, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. 3 digits. See, in 723, there are 3 digits. In 456, there are 3 digits. Okay, so both have 3 digits. Both numbers have 3 digits. Okay, if both the numbers have 3 digits, then we will go to the next step. Okay, we will move to the next step. So what is the next step? Step 2. So the step 2 is we will compare the hundreds. We will compare the hundreds. Okay, now let us see the numbers once again. 723, 456. Now let us mark the places. Let us mark the places. Here we can see 7 is at 100's place, 2 is at 10's place, 3 is at 1's place. Shivana, listen here. The same way 456 also. 4 is at 100's place, 5 is at 10's place, 6 is at 1's place. Now what is the second step? compare the hundreds. Compare the hundreds. Here the hundreds is here. The first number 7 is at hundreds place. In 456, 4 is at hundreds place. Now let us compare 7 and 4. 7, 4. Which is greater? Which is greater?
7.
Oh, 7 is greater. So 7 is greater than 4. 7 is greater than 4.
4.
If 700s, 7 is at hundreds place now. So 700s is greater than 400s. So we can write. 723 is greater than 456. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
I will explain once again. So listen here. First of all, we discuss about one 2-digit number and one 3-digit number. Okay, so we know if we are comparing one 2-digit number and one 3-digit number, always the 2-digit number is smaller than a 3-digit number. Okay, the 2-digit number is always smaller than a 3-digit number. Then we discuss 2 3-digit number. In that we are following steps. In that the first step is, what is the first step? Mother, what is the first step we discuss? We will compare the number of digits. What we will compare, mother? We will compare
Compare
digits, the number of digits. So I took an example. What is example? 723, 456. I took one example, that is 723 and 456. Now, when we count the number of digits, we can see in 723, there are 3 digits. Which are the digits? 7, 2 and 3. And in 456, we can see there also 3 digits. Now, which are the digits? 4, 5 and 6. So, both having same number of digits. If both the numbers having same number of digits, we have to move to the next step. What is the second step? Compare the hundreds. Compare the hundreds. So we compare the hundreds place. In 723, 7 is at the hundreds place. In 456, 4 is at the hundreds place. Okay. Now let us count 7. Let us compare 7 and 4. We can see 7 is greater than 4. Yes, Krishna? Yes.
someone is calling.
Yes, Krishna? Somebody?
Someone is calling you. See the numbers.
Okay. Listen. All of you, please listen here. So 7 is greater than, it's very, very important. 7 is greater than 4. So that means here we can say 723 is greater than 456. 723 is greater than 456. Is it clear to you all? Is it clear to you all?
Yes.
Yes. Now, 723 is greater than 456. Okay. Now, see, if the hundreds place is also same, what we will do? If the hundreds place is also same, what we will do? Who will tell me the answer? See, for comparing the 3-digit numbers.
To 10th place.
Very good, very good. We move to the 10th place. We move to the 10th place. If 3-digit numbers having same number of digits and same number of hundreds, so we will move to the tens. We will compare the tens. Okay. Now let us see one example. Let us see one example. And the example is here 436. 436 and 412. 412. Okay, now let us compare these two numbers. The first step, what is the first step? What is the first step? Count the number of digits in two numbers. Madhav, are you listening here? Count the number of digits. So step 1, count the number of digits. We are comparing. See, 436. How many digits are there? How many digits are there in 436? There are 3 digits. What about 412? Advait PS. 412. How many digits are there? How many digits are there in 412? 3 digits. So both the numbers having 3 digits each. Okay. Now, if both the numbers having 3 digits each, we will move to the next step. What is the next step? We will compare the hundreds. We will compare the hundreds. Now, let us see the number 436. Before that, let us mark the hundreds, tens, and ones places. Here, hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, now let us take the hundreds, please. See, both the number having same hundreds. See, 436, 412. Both having same number of hundreds. So what we will do? We will move to the third step. What is the third step? It is compare. Compare what place? Compare the tens. Compare the tens. Now let us see the tens place. Okay. Let us see the tens place. Now in 436, what is it? Tens place? It's 3. In 412, the tens place we can see the digit 1. Okay. So 3 here, here 1. What about the 3 and 1? 3 and 1. How we will compare with the symbol? 3 is less than or greater than? Compared to 1. 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. So what we can conclude? 436 is greater than 412. Okay. Here 3 is greater than 1. So we can say 436 is greater than 412. Is it clear? Now, listen here. See, when we count 2 3-digit numbers, compare 2 3-digit numbers. First of all, we compare we count the number of digits. We got same number. Then we compare the hundreds place. There also it is same. So we go to the tens place. There also it is same. So what we will do?
We go to the ones place.
We will move to the ones place. We will move to the ones place. We will compare the digits. Okay. Like that, one more example we can see. Okay. Let me share the screen once again. Now listen here. Now I have a number. Listen here. The number is 623 and 628. See, 623, 628. What is the first step? We will compare or we will count the number of digits. Android, how many digits are there in 623? How many digits are there? Android?
3.
There are 3 digits. The digits are 6, 2 and 3. In 628 also we can see there are 3 digits. Which are the digits? 6, 2 and 8. So what we will do, Muhammad Ali? Both having same number of digits. So what we will do? We will move to the, is it ones? We will move to the hundreds place. Bigger. Hundreds place. Now let us see hundreds place. Okay. Now before that, let us write.
Can you write it?
No. Let us. hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. Here, hundreds place, we can see 6. Here also hundreds place, it is 6. Then we will move to what? See, both number having
place.
same number of hundreds.
Ones
What we will
place.
do? What we will do?
Once we go to one's place.
We will move to tens place. We will move to tens place. Here in tens place, 2. In 623, the tens place is 2. Here in 623, the same 2. So what we will do?
We go to
Ones place. Now here in ones place, here in 623, it is 3. And 628, it is 8. Okay. In 623, the ones place digit is 3. In 628, ones place digit is 8. 3 and 8. How we will compare 3 and 8?
Less than 8.
Very good. 3 is less than. 3 is less than 8. That means 623 is less than 628. 623 is less than 628. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we can revise once again. Okay. We can revise once again. Today we discuss how to compare 3-digit numbers. How to compare 3-digit numbers.
Want to write?
Now, ma'am will tell, listen to ma'am. So what we tell first of all, we discuss a 2-digit number is always dash than a 3-digit number. What is the answer? A 2-digit number is always dash than a 3-digit number.
Less than always.
It is always less or it is always smaller. A 2-digit number is always smaller than a 3-digit number. Okay. Then when we compare 2 3-digit numbers, we have to follow some steps. What is the first step, Meenakshi? What is the first step? Others, please be quiet and listen.
Compare the hundreds.
No. First step. We have to count the counting of count the number of count the number of digits. What is the first step, Evina? What is the first step? What is the first step when we compare the 2 3-digit numbers? We have to count. We have to count the number of digits. Evina, tell me what is the first step? We have to count. Count what? We have to count the number of digits. Number of
digits.
Number of digits. If the number of digits is same, what we will do, Advait? What we will do, Advait? Number of digits. We count the number of digits. We got the same number. So what we will do? We will move to the second step. What is the second step? We will compare. What we will compare? We will compare what?
The number.
No, first step will count the number of digits. We got both numbers having equal number of digits. Then what we will do?
Then we go to the third step.
Second step. First of all, we have the second step. What is the second step? We will compare the hundreds place. Yes or no? We will compare the hundreds place. If we go to the same hundreds place, means the digit is same at both the hundreds place. What we will do? We will move to the
second place.
Second place means which is the place? Tens place. Tens place. If the digit in the tens place is also same, so what we will do? We will move to the third place. What is the third place in that? That is ones place. Okay, we will move to the ones place. Is it clear? Shall we write in the notebook?
Yes.
When we write in the notebook, it will be more clear to you. Okay. Now, please take a notebook, all of you. Let me share the screen. So at the top, we can write compare 3-digit numbers. You can take a first bit COMPARE. 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 Compare.
Can I write?
Yeah, right. Now you can write. COMPARE. Compare. Three-digit numbers.
Right.
Yes. 3-digit numbers. Let us write this heading. Compare 3-digit numbers.
And I'm finished writing.
Okay, good. Now, before that, let me ask you one thing. Adit Krishna is present. Adit Krishna. Adit Krishna, are you present? Adit Krishna, are you present? Then what about Albin Penny?
I'm sure mother's.
Albin Penny. Albin? Albin is absent.
Yes.
Arnav, sit properly. Keep your video properly. Now, let me ask. Anay, what about Anay? Anay is here? Anay? No. Then Assyria? Assyria is there? Assyria? No. Then Hassan Aurin? Hassan Aurin? Jennifer? Jennifer is there? No. Karthik Pia? Karthik Pia? Then Kashyap? Kashyap is here? Kashyap is also absent. Then we have Mitra. Mitra is there today? Mitra is also absent. Then
Present.
Mitra is present.
No, Krishna. Krishna is present.
Krishna is present. I saw. Then I want to know only these students. Mohammed Malik is there? No. So we will continue in the next class. Okay. So thank you for joining. We will continue the next. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.